have the great pleasure to bring you another budget-friendly synthetic wig from Nel's Wigs. This girl right here is part of her monofilament collection. If you've been around for a while, then you know, number one, that I love Nel's Wigs and I love Nellie from Nel's Wigs. I love sharing wigs from Nel's Wigs because they are budget-friendly and they are great. And I particularly love sharing the monofilament wigs with you guys because, in my opinion, they very, very closely rival the major name brands at about a quarter of the price. It's really, truly incredible, and I don't know how she does it. But I pray that she's smart about it so she can stay in business because they're so good. So today we're going to talk all about this style right here. Again, this is Chrissy 02. I'll tell you all about Nel's Wigs in case you've never heard of her. It's truly an innovative company that you really should know about if you're a wig wearer. So let's go. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook, and I am so honored to be here in partnership with Nel's Wigs to bring you this review of Chrissy 02. If you have been around for a while, then you may have seen me share Nel's Wigs in the past. I absolutely love Nellie and Nel's Wigs. She is the real deal. Her wigs are great. They're budget friendly, all of them. And this monofilament series, this wig is from her monofilament it's not really a series, it's a collection, a monofilament collection, are as close to the major name brands as I think you can possibly get and not be one of them. And the fact that these are often a third, if not a quarter of the price of one of the major name brands is truly mind-blowing. We'll take a look inside the cap in a moment and I'll show you what I mean. But the fact that Nellie is doing this, I truly want everybody to know about Nel's Wigs, even if you mainly wear human hair. I think that there can be a place in every wig wearer's closet for a more budget synthetic. I think they can be great for everyday wear, but they can also be great for things where maybe you don't want to risk a more expensive wig. The beach, the pool, hiking, camping. There are a lot of reasons why you might want a synthetic in your closet. All of Nel's wigs are heat-friendly synthetic. Keep that in mind. And she does have quite a few different cap types. So I tend to focus on the monofilament wigs when I review for Nel's because I think that's what my wig wearing community mainly wants to see. But she does also have a private Facebook group. I will link it in the description box below. If you are on Facebook, that is the best way to see a lot of her wigs on your fellow wig sisters. Everyday wig sisters just wearing them out in the wild, answering questions about the wigs, helping each other out. It's a wonderfully supportive group. You should check that out. I will put a link in the description box to this wig. I don't have a discount code because she keeps her prices as low as she possibly can. You really don't see coupon codes for Nel's Wigs because she doesn't inflate the price at all. It is what it is because it's about as low as she can afford to make them. One other really important thing to know about Nel's Wigs before I show you this wig. She offers customizations on her pieces. This is one of the most innovative things out there in the synthetic wig world because nobody is customizing their synthetic wigs, but she does. I mean, we're doing it ourselves, but we're not actually having that offered as a service for many of the retailers, not online retailers at least, but she does. So you can add a customization to your piece. If you want it shortened, if you want layers, if you want bangs, if you want lift. Most of her wigs come pretty flat. They don't have PERMATEASE. I don't think I've ever seen a wig with PERMATEASE at Nel's Wigs. So they might be too flat for you. She can add lift. She can cut the lace on wigs that need the lace cut. The monofilament come pre-cut, but not all of them do. That is something worth its weight in gold. Definitely check out Nel's Wigs. It's time to take a look at Chrissy 02. One of the things I'd like to mention, when Nellie has, so first of all, her wigs don't come in a lot of color options. There are some styles that only come in one color. Chrissy 02 only comes in two colors, this beautiful chestnut brown, and the other color is a platinum with dirty blonde highlights. She does have some others that come in more colors, and I actually am going to be bringing you some other reviews here in the next week or two with other of her wigs in other colors. But that is something important to note. It's one of the ways she keeps the price down because if you order a whole bunch of different colors made, she has to pay for those up front. it's the trade-off for having an affordable wig retail site. So do keep in mind this color and one other color are the only ones available. Let's take a look all the way around. This is such a natural length, natural density, very low density. Flat to the head, no PERMATEASE, no poof, very, very natural. And because this is made with heat-friendly synthetic fibers, not shiny at all. We do have a lace front on this one. And actually, it's really well done. Overall, it's really well done. I'm getting a little glare there. One of the challenges sometimes with budget wigs is visible knots on the lace fronts. There are some things that are premium, and so when you think about the major name brands and the price of the wigs of like a Raquel Welch or a John Renault or a Tresseler, a lot of the time you're paying the premium price for the cap. So this is inside the cap. We've got a full mono top, lace front that goes ear tab to ear tab, soft ear tabs with bendable stays, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, the rest is open wefted. Some of the things that I'm noticing on this piece that helps keep the price point down, it is not extended lace, so it doesn't go into the ear tab, but it's plenty of lace front for you to be able to tuck and for it to look really natural. You can part anywhere you want within the monofilament, so that's all free parting. The wefting in the back is very, very stretchy. I just think I have seen a lot of Nel's wigs, monofilament wigs. I'm having a bit of a brain pause. Okay, I'm thinking of the words, monofilament wigs, and I just think they're great. And I am hard pressed to see a ton of differences between these and more expensive, similar type wigs. And so if you're on a budget and you're wondering, should I get one of these and save some money? I think the questions you have to ask are, is there a color that's going to work for you? Can you be flexible on color? Because there aren't as many color choices generally. The caps do run a little small, so the Nel's wigs monofilament, again, she has a lot of different wigs and different caps. This isn't true across the board of all the wigs that she carries, but for the monofilament, they tend to run more average to average petite. I do find that I don't have really very much at all extra cap up here. I do have some, but on some of the major name brands, the amount of extra cap I get is a lot greater. I also don't find that I really need to cinch them in a whole lot. I have a 21.5 circumference and they fit my circumference pretty well. I cinch them in maybe a tad. So I would say these are running smaller than true average. I would say they're on the small side of average. So those are a couple of things to consider. I would also consider the color that you're getting. Wigs with a darker root, you tend to be able to see the knots just a little bit on those. You can cover that with makeup. Some are better than others. I have found the knotting to be much smaller on the monofilament versus some of the other caps that she carries. So that's something else to keep in mind. And I would also say that this lace does show up on me slightly and it doesn't always lay perfectly flat on me. It is definitely good enough. And for the price point, worth it. But if you find that the lace is showing up on you, my best recommendation is to take a pinking shears, a scalloped edge scissors, and trim the lace. I have a video showing how to do that because I actually find some of the major name brands to show up on me. You can trim the lace and that should fix it. If the lace doesn't lay fully flat on you, you can just take a little adhesive and that will tack that down. I have multiple videos showing different types of adhesive. Lace stick from Wig Guru, Ebon spray, it stays, roll-on adhesive. There's lots out there and I sometimes have to do that with some of my wigs. So I would say for the most part, those are the major trade-offs that you might make. But other than maybe this cap not fitting everybody, this is such a great piece. It really is. So to summarize, Nel's Wigs is a fantastic retailer with lots of budget-friendly options. And I just can't recommend her more. I just can't. Nellie is a wonderful person. I think if it's important that you support a small business and support good people. Nellie is good people. She just is. And she does so much for the wig community. And the fact that she keeps her prices low and everybody else is just continuing to raise prices. I don't really want to get into the controversy around how expensive wigs are because I don't have any insider information on that. And I'm just trusting that companies are doing what they have to do to stay in business. And I'm grateful for companies that have found a way to make wigs affordable for those of us who need it. So it's really fantastic. And I just couldn't recommend her more. If this isn't the style for you, she has tons of styles at her website and you should definitely go check it out. And stay tuned because I do have a bunch of other styles from her to be sharing over the next couple of weeks. And I'm really excited about that. Let's take a look at this color in depth. So chestnut brown is a gorgeous auburn brown. It's a medium brown that leans auburn. It is a stunning, stunning color. It's a little bit dimensional. It's not a flat color at all, but it isn't heavily dimensional. Doesn't have a ton of visible highlights. It's not rooted. So it's consistent all the way up. If you like more of a medium brown, but you love warm colors, you love a little bit of a good kind of an auburn brown. It's not red, but it's also not neutral. It's much more warm and it does lean a little bit toward the reddish. Chestnut brown is stunning. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Let's get outside so you can see it outside. And like I said, this only comes in one other color. I have not seen that color, but I will link that one as well because they're listed separately on the website. And that one is Chrissy 01. And again, some of her styles, she does come, like I have one style here to show you, not today, in a future video, that comes in 7 colors. That's a lot for Nell's wigs. If a wig is a good seller for her and people really love it, she does tend to carry it in other colors. So if this one's a good seller, she will get it in other colors, I am sure. So she's so pretty, you guys. Just go check her out. And I'm so glad that you're here today to watch. I really appreciate you. Don't forget, I'm always going to bring you the best resources that I can, and Nell's Wigs is one of them. Let's go. All right, we are outside. Got a little bit of sunlight filtering through a tree. Such a pretty, pretty color. I really think that they did a great job with this wig. I'm very, very impressed. Let's see if I can. Sometimes it can be so hard. I can step more into the sunlight. There you go. Now you can see what the sun does to it. So pretty. Thanks for watching. Hey friends, thanks so much for watching. Here are a few videos I think you might enjoy. Go ahead and click on one and watch.